In today's video, we are diving into low-light photography with a 50mm lens, why it's a go-to choice, the benefits it offers, and the challenges you'll face. The 50mm lens, often called the Nifty 50, is a versatile prime lens known for its sharpness, affordability, and low-light capabilities. It has a wide aperture, usually f8.8, making it perfect for capturing images in challenging lighting.
The wide aperture of f1.8 or even f1.4 allows more light to hit the sensor, which is crucial in dimly lit environments. This helps in reducing the need for high ISO, minimizing noise and keeping the image clear and sharp. Another key advantage, the shallow depth of field. You can create beautiful bokeh effects, isolating your subject with a dreamy background. A compact and lightweight lens, the 50mm is easy to carry, making it perfect for street photography or spontaneous shots. Here are a few shots showcasing how well the 50mm lens performs in low light: vibrant colors, crisp details, and stunning background blur. However, there are a few challenges. At wider apertures like f1.8, focusing can sometimes be tricky, especially in low light, leading to slightly soft or blurry photos. Though the lens allows more light in, motion blur can still happen in very low light situations if your shutter speed is too slow. Additionally, while the lens is great for portraits, its fixed focal length might not be ideal in every situation. You'll have to move around a lot to frame your shots, which could be limiting for certain scenes. To get the most out of your 50mm in low light, remember to use a wide aperture for more light, keep your ISO as low as possible to reduce noise, and experiment with slower shutter speeds for motion blur control. In challenging situations, consider using a tripod to stabilize your camera and reduce any blur. And most importantly, practice, experiment, and have fun capturing moments in the dark. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more photography tips.